Imagine a world where electric vehicles are within reach for the average person, where cutting-edge technology and environmental consciousness merge seamlessly in an affordable package. But how cheap are we talking, and what does this mean for the future of transportation? Buckle up as we dive into the exciting details and explore how this new Tesla could change the game forever. Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of Tesla, has once again sent shockwaves through the automotive world with a groundbreaking announcement. Tesla is gearing up to manufacture its most affordable electric car yet. This revelation isn't just a new chapter in Tesla's story, it's poised to revolutionize the entire automobile industry. Tesla has been a game-changer in the electric vehicle (EV) market, earning global acclaim for its innovative designs and cutting-edge technology. One of the company's most significant achievements has been the success of its Model 3 and Model Y cars. These models have not only set new standards for performance and affordability but have also helped Tesla dominate the electric vehicle market. The Model 3, in particular, has been a standout success, becoming the best-selling electric automobile to date due to its affordable price, modern features, and enhanced performance. Tesla's impact isn't limited to the United States. The company has topped the European automobile market, surpassing well-established brands like Volkswagen Group. This dominance is a testament to Tesla's ability to produce electric vehicles that meet the demands of consumers worldwide. Engineers and experts have praised the strong performance of the Model 3 and Model Y, further cementing Tesla's reputation as a leader in the EV market. One of the most impressive milestones Tesla has achieved is its entry into the trillion-dollar club. The production and sale of the Model 3 alone played a significant role in this financial success. This achievement highlights the effectiveness of Tesla's business model and the substantial impact the company has had on the automotive industry. Tesla's ability to generate significant revenue from its electric vehicles has allowed it to reinvest in further innovations and expansions, driving the company forward in its mission to make electric cars more accessible to the masses. Elon Musk's strategic vision for Tesla goes beyond simply producing electric cars. His master plan is centered around making electric vehicles affordable and accessible to as many people as possible while minimizing environmental impact. Musk's approach involves a series of carefully planned steps that leverage the profits from high-end models to fund the development of more affordable options. The first step in Musk's master plan was to design and manufacture high-end electric cars, such as the Tesla Roadster. While the Roadster was a luxury sports car with a high price tag, every penny earned from its sales was reinvested into developing more affordable mass-market vehicles. This reinvestment strategy allowed Tesla to progress to the next phase, the production of medium-volume cars at a lower price point. The Model S was the next significant milestone in Musk's plan. Launched in 2012, it represented a bold step forward in the electric vehicle market, offering a blend of luxury, practicality, and groundbreaking technology. One of the standout features of the Model S was its impressive range. At a time when many electric vehicles struggled to achieve a range of 100 miles on a single charge, the Model S offered a range of up to 265 miles, depending on the battery configuration. This significant improvement in range alleviated many of the concerns potential buyers had about electric vehicles, particularly the fear of running out of power during longer trips, often referred to as range anxiety. In terms of performance, the Model S did not disappoint. It boasted rapid acceleration, with some configurations capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. This level of performance was comparable to, if not better than, many high-end gasoline-powered sports cars, proving that electric vehicles could deliver exhilarating driving experiences without compromising on environmental responsibility. The interior of the Model S further set it apart from other vehicles on the market. It featured a minimalist design centered around a large, 17-inch touchscreen display that controlled almost all of the car's functions, from navigation to climate control. This innovative user interface was intuitive and futuristic, offering a glimpse into the potential future of automotive design. The cabin was spacious, with ample room for passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for families and long-distance travel. The real game-changer, however, was the Model 3. This model marked the beginning of the final phase of Musk's master plan, producing an affordable, high-volume electric car. The Model 3 was designed to be accessible to middle-class consumers, making it the first time many people could realistically consider owning an electric vehicle. The success of the Model 3 has been instrumental in advancing Musk's vision of widespread EV adoption. Musk's ultimate goal is to create a sustainable future by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing environmental pollution. By focusing on making electric cars affordable for the average consumer, Tesla aims to drive mass adoption of EVs, which will significantly reduce carbon emissions and other pollutants. Musk's commitment to this mission is evident in his willingness to welcome competition from other electric car manufacturers, as he believes that widespread EV adoption benefits society and the environment as a whole. Despite Tesla's impressive achievements, the company faces several challenges in its quest to produce affordable electric cars. One of the most significant hurdles is the cost of batteries, which are the main component of electric vehicles. High-quality, high-capacity batteries are essential for ensuring good performance and range, but they are also expensive. Although the price per kilowatt-hour of batteries has fallen in recent years, it remains a substantial financial constraint. To address this challenge, Tesla has taken innovative approaches to battery production. One of the most notable advancements is the development of Tesla's new 4680 battery. This battery is designed to reduce costs while improving performance and energy density. According to sources, the price per kilowatt-hour of Tesla's batteries is expected to decrease by 56%, making it more feasible to produce affordable electric cars. In addition to advancements in battery technology, Tesla is exploring new manufacturing processes to reduce costs further. One such approach involves producing the new, cheaper electric car, tentatively named Model 2, in China. By leveraging the cost efficiencies of manufacturing in China, Tesla aims to produce a car that costs significantly less than its previous models. Reports indicate that Tesla already has prototypes of Model 2 ready and is working to test and verify its functions and facilities. The ultimate goal is to bring an electric car to the market that costs around $25,000 or even lower. This would be a significant milestone in making electric vehicles accessible to a broader range of consumers. However, achieving this price point requires balancing cost reductions with maintaining quality and essential features. It's a delicate balance, but Tesla is confident in its ability to deliver a high-quality, affordable electric car. One interesting example of a successful low-cost electric car comes from China. A tiny, cute-looking electric car was introduced in the Chinese market at an affordable price of around $5,000. Despite its modest specifications, including a range of 105 miles per charge and a top speed of 62 miles per hour, this car was well received. It became a popular choice among middle-class and lower-income consumers, with approximately 50,000 units sold in October alone. This example demonstrates that there is a demand for affordable electric vehicles and that consumers are willing to embrace them if they meet basic needs and offer good value for money. The future of electric vehicles is looking brighter than ever, thanks to Elon Musk's vision and Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation. The recent announcement of Tesla's cheapest electric car yet has the potential to reshape the automobile industry and make electric vehicles more accessible to a broader audience. Tesla's journey from producing high-end luxury sports cars to affordable mass-market vehicles is a testament to the company's commitment to its mission of sustainability and environmental responsibility. While there are challenges to overcome, such as the cost of batteries and maintaining quality at lower price points, Tesla's advancements in battery technology and manufacturing processes offer promising solutions. The introduction of the new Model 2 and the potential for even more affordable electric cars in the future signal a significant step forward in the quest for widespread EV adoption. Ultimately, the real and hidden cost of owning a Tesla goes beyond the initial purchase price. It encompasses the broader impact on the environment, the advancements in technology that make these cars possible, and the strategic vision that drives the company forward. As Tesla continues to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, the dream of owning a high-quality, affordable electric car is becoming a reality for more and more people. The journey doesn't end here. As we look to the future, it's essential to stay informed and engaged with the latest developments in the electric vehicle industry. Tesla's mission to create a sustainable future is one that benefits us all, and by supporting and adopting electric vehicles, we can contribute to a cleaner, greener planet. So, what are your thoughts on Tesla's latest announcement? Are you optimistic about the future of affordable electric cars, or do you have reservations? It's a topic worth discussing, and your opinions matter. Join the conversation in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things related to Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk. Until next time, stay tuned and stay curious.